Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful flower vase using materials available at home. We'll be using newspapers, balloons, wood glue, and this material that is used to protect TVs, corn flour, scissors. First you need to blow your balloon as I've done and set it aside. And next you're going to cut your newspaper using scissors into smaller pieces so that it's easy to apply onto the balloon. Cut your newspapers into smaller pieces. Next, using any circular materials in your house or in your kitchen, use it to draw a circle on the balloon so that as you will be applying the paper, it will reach at that point where we've drawn the circle. And next, you're going to mix wood glue, and we are going to mix wood glue with water, and also we are going to add corn flour. And the purpose of corn flour is that it makes your paste sticky, and when you use corn flour you're not going to use much glue. Yeah, so corn flour is very useful. Kindly subscribe down below if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that every time I'll be posting a new video you'll be among the first people to watch my videos. Apply your glue all around the balloon. Apply it all around your balloon. Actually you can use a brush, but for me I'm using my bare hands because there's no point of using a brush. So but you can use a brush if you want to. And then next you're going to take your pieces of newspapers that you've cut and apply it to the glue. Yeah, so step by step you're going to dip the newspaper in the glue as you apply it on the balloon. And I'll be bringing you more videos on DIY home decor at home using the available materials at home. Like, it's very cheap. Yeah, you don't need to go and buy a lot of things. Yeah, so stay tuned as I'll be bringing you more of this. Subscribe down below, like this video if you have not liked. Yeah, like this video. And this is what we have. Actually I've used like 5 layers, 5 or 7, I guess 5 or 7 apple. So you can use any amount of layers that you want, depending on the thickness of on how thick you want your vase to be. So I've used 7 layers, and so leave it out in the sun to dry for some times. Yeah, and next you're going to scratch your actually I don't know how this thing is called. Kindly comment down below if you know the name of this material that is used to protect TVs and woofers. And I think we've had enough of the white particles, and so our balloon has already dried. Yeah, our balloon has already dried. This is like 5 hours later after drying it in the sun. And so the next step that you're going to do, you are going to burst the balloon using a sharp object. Yeah, you can use a needle or any sharp object to burst your balloon. Mix your glue so that you can apply it to the balloon. Yeah, mix glue and corn flour. You can only use glue, whichever you want. apply the glue all over the balloon. And as I told you before, by the way, you can use your hand or you can use a brush if you have a brush. For me, I don't have a brush, and so I'm going to use my hand to apply the glue all around the balloon. Yeah, make sure that it has covered the whole balloon. Yeah, like there are no spaces that are left. And then apply the white particles onto the balloon, because it will stick on the glue that we have applied on the balloon. It's that simple. It's that simple. A comment down below on what you think about this video. Comment down below on what you think about the video. Anything, you can just comment on anything you think about this video. If you have a video idea that you'd like me to do, or you have something you'd like to share with me, you can comment down below and I will reply. I reply to all comments.